Nestled against Camelback Mountain, Arizona, the Red Rocks residence is a stunning example of how architecture can elevate our connection with nature. The homeowners desired a home that embraced the natural beauty, not a style that overshadowed it. Inside, the floor plan now seamlessly connects living spaces with the panoramic vistas. A new steel, glass, and wood staircase offers a captivating view from the rear of the house through the front and beyond. Over 2,000 square feet of shaded patios extend the living area and provide respite from the desert heat. Custom steel screens with a unique hexagonal pattern offer both sun protection and stunning views. A second-story addition clad in limestone cantilevers over the mountain, preserving outdoor space. Off the new bedroom, a modern Juliet balcony creates an intimate connection with the mountainside. Exposed concrete floors and a neutral color palette with walnut and white cabinetry complement the breathtaking red rocks. Bifolding glass doors and clear-story windows blur the lines between indoors and outdoors. While strategically placed mirrors reflect the raw beauty of the mountain. The Red Rocks residence is a testament to the transformative power of thoughtful design, transcending prescribed styles to create unforgettable daily experiences. Because ultimately, homes should inspire, connect, and elevate the lives of those who inhabit them. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.